Hey guys, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and law-of-attraction-blueprint.com. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how to ask for what you want and actually get it, or at least actually get on the right path of getting it. Manifestation is not hard. It's not. And it's supposed to be fun. It's not supposed to be a strenuous thing. It can be looked at as complicated, especially if you're not getting the results that you want. And we don't want that. Like, to me, manifestation, it's a game to me. It's a game. It's fun. It's like, ooh, what can I attract today? Type of thing. I truly do believe what I want wants me too. So let's come together and merge. If there is something on your mind right now that you would like to manifest, go ahead and hit the like button. Also in the comments, if you feel like participating, where are you from? So manifestation is the act of attracting things into your life. You may have heard of the law of attraction. You may have heard of the law of assumption. At the end of the day, it's all manifestation. I'm sure you have heard of the phrase ask, believe, and receive from the book, The Secret. But how do you ask, and how do you know if there's anything else for you to do? I believe we've all been there before, especially for bigger manifestations, especially for desires that you want really, really, really bad. Is there anything that you need to do to complete the process to help? If you believe there are certain steps that you need to take, but you don't know what to do first, ask this question out loud. How can I get this done by this time? And what's going to end up happening is either you're going to get the answers, whether it's from another person, just saying it out loud. You possibly wake up at 2, 3 in the morning and you're just on the internet and you just stumble on an ad that's going to help you with what you're looking for. But ask the question, how can I get this done by this time? For example, I know somebody who was in a car accident recently. This accident is a little different. It's a little different. Is dealing with bigger entities. Became overwhelming because unless you just have a lawyer, you don't really know what steps to take and stuff like that. So this person ended up running into someone at the bank and they're just talking about their accident and everything they went through and the steps they took and stuff like that. The universe is going to put people in position to tell you everything that you need to know, and it won't be extremely hard to find the information. Or for example, if you have a clothing line or a hat line, or you're starting a business and you don't know where to start marketing, ask the question out loud. How can I get these results in my business by this time? At that point, after you ask the question, you have to be open and keep your ears open, keep your eyes open for the answers that you need to help the manifestation come through. Certain manifestations do need help from you to get it going. You do have to take inspired action on certain things, right? Or say you want to win the lottery. You can ask the question out loud. What numbers do I need to win $2 million in the lottery? Or what gas station do I need to go to get a winning scratch-off ticket? Your higher self will give you the answers as well. You don't even know why you stopping at this certain gas station. You just out of nowhere be like, you know what, I'm gonna stop at this one. If you feel that there is nothing that you need to do, you don't feel stuck, it's just something that you would like to receive. Say a phone call from somebody, a text message from somebody, then all you have to do is say, I would like to receive blank within 2 weeks. Put a date on it. I would like to receive blank within 7 days. No harm done to anybody. But ask questions out loud, or you could write it out. Scripting is extremely powerful as well. Maybe you are in a situation where you can't say things out loud. You are in an environment where you cannot say things out loud. And I totally understand that. You can write it down. You can script it out. That's why I created my guided scripting sheets, to help people stay focused on the end. I'm going to read you a quick testimonial. Dear Love Gal, thank you for the guide on how to manifest a call or a test from someone specific. I do believe in scripting. I have been doing it for quite some time before purchasing your in-depth scripting technique. But boy, when I tell you this worked, exclamation points, it worked. Oh my God, I'm really grateful. Thank you so much. So you could write it down, you could say it out loud. I want you to include your why in it. What is your intention with it? For example, if you want to have a conversation with somebody, what is your intention? Why do you want to talk to them? And I include my intention when I'm saying things out loud or I'm writing things out. And sometimes you have to really sit with yourself and ask, why do you want this? For example, if you want to talk to somebody, why? Do you miss them? Why do you miss them? And I have to really sit with myself and be like, I miss the attention they gave me. I miss the conversations. I miss the good time. I love the positive energy, etc., etc. Really talk with yourself and ask, why do you want what you want? If you want more money, what are you going to do with it? I want $5,000 to add to my savings account within the next 7 days. Well, your why is to add it to your savings account. If you want to manifest a conversation with somebody, like, I want to gain clarity, I want to apologize, I want to get on the same page with them. I always say why. When I say why, here they come. Because I do have a reason. I'm not just bothering somebody. You feel me? My last tip is detach. I know detaching can be difficult if it's something that we really, really, really want. We have a tendency to think about it a lot more, but I want you to think of it like this. If you have it, are you constantly thinking about it still? Not as much, or not in a way that you're thinking about it right now. For example, you had a breakup and you were thinking that you miss this person and you want to work things out, etc., etc. Thinking about it like that and thinking about you guys are back together and you spending time together and how much you love them, that's two totally different thoughts, right? So if you do find yourself thinking about it, think of how you're thinking about it. And if it's in a lack mindset, then I want you to switch it. I want you to think about everything you love about that person, etc. Or if you are detaching from the thought of money because you trust the universe, right? Like, you already put in your order, like, I want $5,000 by next Thursday. You're no longer thinking of the lack of not having money. That is going to hinder you from actually getting it. You know how I approach it? It's like, okay, well, me thinking about it all day is not going to make it come any faster. So I might as well enjoy my day and go ahead and do what I need to do, because it's going to come regardless. So there's no need for me to keep thinking about this. And if I do, think about it with excitement. Like, I'm so excited about this money that's coming next Thursday. I'm so excited about the money that I have coming to pay my rent. I'm so excited about the money that I have to pay my phone bill. I'm so excited about this. Do it in a positive way. But yeah, I'm Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and lawofattractionblueprint.com. Manifestation Momentum is out. Is where almost 300 affirmations that I wrote myself for y'all across 11 different subjects. 33 visualization scenarios that I'm telling you what to visualize to manifest. That's going to be linked in my description box as well. If you're going to try any of the techniques in this video, go ahead and give this video a like. Thank you for all the donations, all the positive words, all the likes, shares, comments,